This is chapter 14, question 87. It's about bond angle of a nitrogen compound, methyl isocyanate. Now, for this question, you must know bond angles of different shape of molecules very well. Okay. For example, like trigonal planar means 120, linear means 180, tetrahedral means 109 to 109.5. Then when you have lone pair, like NH3, then it would be 107. And if you have two lone pairs like water, then it's 104. Now this nitrogen compound, this methyl isocyanate, is different from the other compounds. So it's an application question where you have to find the closest bond angle to this compound. Okay, so we look at the compound. I'll look at the nitrogen because nitrogen seems like the central atom. Central atom means the atom in the middle. So this nitrogen has 3 bondings here. So 1 electrons, 2 electrons, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Didn't achieve octet. That means it has one more lone pair. So there's one more lone pair on nitrogen. I just draw lone pair on nitrogen for all the answers. Now, when you have lone pair on nitrogen, and it is also surrounded by bonding pairs, D definitely cannot be the answer, right? Nobody chose D as the answer, so which is very good. You know that when there's lone pair, bonding pair, repulsion will be very great, that it won't be a linear compound. Okay, now we have A, B, and C. So which one is the best answer? Now 104 would be too small of a bond angle for methyl isocyanate. Why? 104 is for water, right? Water, H2O. Now oxygen has 2 lone pair. So these 2 lone pairs, the repulsions are too strong. So bond angle is smaller, 104. But here we have only 1 lone pair. So 104 is too small. So A cannot be the answer also. Now let's look at B. 109. 109 is for tetrahedral compound. Okay, but if you look at this compound, it is not a tetrahedral compound because nitrogen is not bonded to 4 groups of atoms, right? It only has 1 lone pair and then two bondings. So cannot be 109. 109 is also too small. Okay, for methyl isocyanate. So the closest one is 120. Why? So imagine if this lone pair is just like another bond, then it will be like a trigonal planar. Although there's no bond here, but the closest one, the closest shape, if there's a bond here, will be the trigonal planar. That is why the closest bond angle is 120. So the answer is C.